The movement is a success. Yeah. But Tinubu had to oppress us. He put army and police on the way. And we are not moved. We are not shaking. I don't know why he's intimidated. Why is Tinubu intimidated? Just Sowore. He's being moved. Carrying all the army and the police in the whole Abuja to block the road for us. We are not moved. And we will not be moved.
Just Sowore.
Sorry?
Just Sowore. Just Sowore.
To Nigerians. But he's intimidated by Sowore today.
Okay.
That is what I can say.
So what's your advice to Nigerians now?
Nigerians should come out. We have to fight this fight once and for all. We can't just sit down at home and say we want Nigeria to be good. We have to come out, do right. We are suffering.
We are here for the solidarity and to protest on behalf of insecurity and the kidnappings of our children that kidnapped in Oyo State and in Borno, Zamfara, and for those that they killed. Their government, this government know what they are doing, and they don't want to turn up. They don't want to do the needful. I'm urging the government now to bring these children out, to rescue them out, because rain are falling, sun, every blessed day. And the last week, one of the children, a 3-year-old girl, died because he didn't seek proper care in the captivities of bandits. And these people are there, and the one that even pained me, most is the one happened in Oyo State, Adelabu's sister that they kidnapped. Within 2 days, they bring these people, they bring them out.
No, we need 24 hours.
Now,
24 hours.
Now 24 hours, they bring them out. Now, what happened to the police, DSS, that they can't track bandits and bring these children out?
They went for Kenya peace speaking.
Now,
They went for Kenya.
they are playing, we now know that they are playing a game. They are playing politics game with masses' life, which we will not agree. We will not tolerate it. For this, Tinubu must go. Shettima must go. Akpabio must go. This thing is crazy. Look at people. We can't sleep. Another one happened in Biaji, Kubwa. Therefore, yesterday happened, but police rescued those ones, and the five that they kidnapped. Now, we are saying this, government, do the needful. Bring our children out. That is what we are demanding for. We are not demanding for much. Bring them out. Or else, this protest will continue. Tinubu must go. Shettima must go. Akpabio must go. Because I don't know the work of Senate. I don't know the work of House of Assembly. Yes. That they cannot voice out, and they are there, sitting there, collecting money. Now the blood of these children, the blood of those that they kill, we speak.
I am Revolutionary Chief Priest, the Sowore Babalao, coming from the spirit world. You know, we have been tired of the level at which insecurity in Nigeria is alarming. That even the heroes past are not even proud of what is happening in the country. The sacrifice of our heroes past is going in vain. So we as the Nigerian people have come out to let the Nigerian government know that enough is enough. The time for Nigerian people to speak out is now. And we are coming out in our numbers, and we'll keep on coming out till Tinubu understand that he has failed us. And will not stop until the children that are adopted and insecurity is being curbed in Nigeria. And our last statement is that Tinubu should resign if he knows he's incompetent.
So we are here to express our displeasure and dissatisfaction. You know, we live in a country where the system has been totally broken and decimated, and we are just victims, helpless victims, waking up every day with uncertainty of what lies ahead of us. You know, children, teachers were kidnapped, they spent 3 weeks, nothing has been done about them. We have ravaging poverty, insecurity all around our communities. Farmers are sacked from their communities, languishing in IDP camps. We have our president who is still borrowing funds left, right and center to mismanage and use for his election and his selfish interests. We have everything going wrong, poor healthcare system, poor education system, we have poor justice system, we have everything is broken. And there are 1,000,001 reasons for Nigerians to be on the street today. And that's why we're here to express our displeasure and to also call on Nigerians that is not just a festival of the oppressed on the streets every June 12th or every now and then. It's something that should be coming up with massive intensity. If Tinubu and all his cohorts have millions of Nigerians occupying Abuja today, there's no way they'll be sitting in Eagle Square celebrating a democracy that we still don't have. This is the same democracy that people fought for, died for, but they've bastardized it, and now we are still out here fighting for the same democracy because we haven't really gotten it. And it's painful to see that these same people in power can enjoy their impunity because we are not giving them the requisite resistance that they need.
It's not by force to rule us. Oga, go and arrest me. You are too old to face the problem of this country. You are too old, Oga. Mr. Tinubu, you are too old. Go and arrest. It's not by force to rule us. We don't want again. We are tired, oh. Children, they bush, Oga. Your wife, they give people car. It don't make sense, Oga. I beg, it's abomination. We don't want it again. The person say you want where you want to, people where you want to say they don't want it again. Now by force, now by force. Leave Asoroko, not be your personal house, oh, not be your personal house. Baba, leave Asoroko. 2027, inshallah. Okay, you go sleep for your house. 1 million, we go to market. I don't we don't get another one. Our Papa be this, Sowore. Our Papa be this, we don't get another one. Our Papa be this, Sowore. Our Papa be this, Sowore. Our Papa be this, When people
over, when we take over, when people take over street, when people take over street, all oppressors, they will run away, when people take over street.
Tinubu must go.
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 Shettima must go.
Tinubu must go.
Akpabio must go.
Akpabio must go.
Tinubu must go.
Tinubu must go.
Tinubu must go.
Tinubu must go. Wike must go.
Wike must go.
Akpabio must go.
Akpabio must go.
Seyi must go.
Seyi must go.
Remi must go.
Remi must go.
Tinubu must go.
Tinubu must go.
Tinubu must go.
Tinubu must go.
Seyi must go.
Seyi must go.
Akpabio must go.
Akpabio must go.
Wike must go.
Wike must go.
Tinubu must go.
Tinubu must go.
Who is the bandit?
Tinubu is a bandit.
Who is the bandit?
Tinubu is a bandit.
Who is corruption?
Tinubu is a corruption.
Lower your balance.
Let them move back. Slowly.
Solidarity Another challenge you. Double challenge you. Another challenge you. Let's go. Another challenge you. Double challenge you. Who is corruption? Tinubu is corruption. Who is corruption? Tinubu is corruption. Who is a bandit? Tinubu is a bandit. Who is a bandit? Tinubu is a bandit. Who is a mugu? Shettima is a mugu. Who is a mugu? Shettima is a mugu. Who is a terrorist? Who is a terrorist? Who is a terrorist? Who is a terrorist?
We are singing solidarity forever.
Abdullah.